Hey! Paano ba ako nakarating ng Dubai? Nakakagulat 'no, story time lang tayo. I arrived in Dubai with a suitcase, siyempre a dream, and of course, doubts. Kung kakayanin ko ba ang Dubai. When I first came to Dubai, everything felt new. I didn't know many people kasi iba't ibang lahi talaga yung na-culture shock ako pero parang kinontrol ko yung sarili ko. Na-amaze ako, pero naging lang ako, kinontrol ko lang yung sarili ko. Hindi ako nag-react agad. Tininay kong i-adapt yung culture ng lugar kung nasaan ako that moment. I miss home, yes. I had to adjust to a different culture, way of life. Fast-paced dito. Gaano man ka bilis ang buhay sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa Maynila, mas mabilis dito, round the clock. There were days when I questioned if I made it right. If I made the right decision na pumunta ng Dubai. But I kept showing up, learning, and working hard. Little by little, I gained experience, built confidence, and created opportunities for myself. Actually, I came here not for work. I came here for a vacation. A 3 week vacation. Nakiusap lang ako sa friend ko, tsaka in-encourage niya na ako na, sige na, magstay ka sa bahay namin. So, thankful ako sa friend ko na nakatipid ako ng accommodation ng hotel. So, nag-share lang ako sa kanya. Then, sabi niya sa akin, when I was in Dubai, siguro sabi niya, sige, ikot-ikot kami ng mga first week, second week. Tapos mga second week ko, actually, ang minimum visa dito is 1 month. So, 1 month yung kinuha kong visa, pero parang 28 days lang ako dapat magstay. Uwi na ako. Then, in my parang approaching third week na ako, sabi niya, why don't you try applying for a job dito? Sabi niya, employed pa ako. Sabi niya, wala namang mawawala sa'yo, just try. So, I tried. The moment she told me na try, tinry ko na, nag-send ako ng mga CVs ko, ganyan. Tapos, when sitting sa isang coffee shop, I saw a newspaper. Pinuntahan ko agad yung classified ads. Then, I found one message na parang sinabi niya doon na hiring customer service with the number. Send your CV right now. So, ganon. So, ang ginawa ko naman, nag-email lang ako. Nag-send ako ng message sa WhatsApp na nandun na in-indicate na number.